everybody, welcome. I have an Asian themed journal to share with you today, and this features my Asian themed digital kit, Big in Japan, and I'm really excited to share this with you. So I made a soft cover journal for this, and I'm really in a soft cover journal mood lately. Let's talk about the cover for a second. I used a very colorful Asian themed fabric on this, and on the front I have one of the pictures from my digital kit, and I have layered it. There's a little plate down here, and I've left it blank so whoever purchases this can put in what they want. Here is a little bee. This was a charm, and I have some buttons up here. Then I have a tassel on the side. The tassel has some beads and lots of fibers and sari silk, and then the closure is also sari silk. So let's take a look inside. I used a bright red Asian inspired fabric for the inside. Then we have a journal card and a little journal envelope, put a secret tag, and I have several fortune cookie fortunes in here because I think they're so much fun to add to journals. We also have some stamping. Here's one of the Japanese proverbs. I have a little bag in here, and I have a lot of this beautiful paper that I got from the paper source. And so this is a piece, and this is just another handmade paper, and those are tucked in here. Here's one of the decorative pages from the kit, and I backed it onto one of the journal pages. This is another one of these really pretty papers that I picked up from the paper source. One of the envelopes, fortune cookie fortune, and this is one of Sheila's boho fabrics that I got in her kit. One of the pages in the kit with the journal page on the back. Here's some fabric and some avocado dyed paper. The bulb pin with the beads. Another sentiment, and some of that paper. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a tuck, and I used a lot of miscellaneous scraps of paper that just regular scrapbook paper that I had left over from other projects in here as well, because I loved that it was so colorful. This is another paper from the paper source. They really have great stuff. Here's a paper clip with some beads and another envelope from the kit. A tuck here with some paper, and this unfolds. Here's one of the tags, and a sentiment, or proverb actually. Here's a tuck in here. Some more paper. And isn't that beautiful? I just love this paper. Here I have an envelope with a card, but you can tuck anything you want in there. I love little secret journaling spots like that. And here I have a piece of, whoops, and I just tore it. This is from a book I got on Japanese healing, and it was actually like a pamphlet, and I'll link the Etsy shop below that I got it from, but I really thought that was so cool. So this is just a little piece of ephemera that is in here. Another tag. I love tags with fabric on them. I think it's just adding those layers of different materials just makes it fun. envelope with another paper clip and some beads. Journal page. These both flip open. More of this paper. Butterfly charm and another envelope, and I stitched some fabric and a fortune cookie fortune on the front, and one more journal card, and that's it. So this journal will also be available in my Etsy store. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.